I always scared to leave the fish. That's why they never catch anything.
Hey, but hold your ears.
Hold your ears. He finna do it.
We take out the ferry here at Fort Gaines.
Yeah, it'd be funny.
Hold the hole.
That wouldn't be funny.
You're gonna do it. Is it gonna happen or not? Yeah, expect it. One comment? Yeah. That's how the boat was like?
Wait, do we know when they're going to do it? You see that screen? Yeah.
Right side, clear! Stop! That was good. You hold that base? Get the tickets. No. My ticket. That was 1.5 pounds of powder. During the war between the states, this cannon would have shot 5, 6, and 7 pounds fully loaded. These cannons were made around 1830, 1831. I don't know where they were before they built Fort Gaines, but this fort was finished up in late 1860 and early 61. And when the Confederacy took over, these cannons were taken down and taken to Selma Arsenal and had rifling put in them, which made them a little more accurate to shoot a little bit farther. They would have gone about 3 miles. From here to Fort Morgan is 3.5 miles. They had the same coastal cannons on their walls, so they had basically Mobile Bay covered. Now they didn't have a telephone. Hey, you got an incoming on your side. They had to keep somebody at watch 24/7, rain, sleet, or snow. You got a sponge? Now, if you look at these cannons up on the end of them here, on the trunnion, the butt, it's got 7,380 to 7,400 pounds. How they took these cannons down, moved them to Selma, and did that work and bring them back is, I think, miraculous. I don't know how they did it. In a few minutes, we're going to shoot the little mountain house over here. If y'all want to come and watch that, y'all are welcome to. Is there any questions?